Hi everyone, it's Erlene Garcia from Erlene Garcia Art, and this past weekend I had the pleasure of shopping the Pasadena Bead and Design Show. So let's get started and see what my treasures are. Everything from findings to beads and tourmaline. This is tiger tail wire, and we use that to make bracelets, necklaces, ankle bracelets. Some people use it in their earrings. And then I found, well, what is that? Oh, those are lobster clasp. I find that easy to use on bracelets and ankle bracelets. And some little tiny antique brassy colored flower spacers. I'm watching this video along with you, so I kind of forgot what I put in there. Oh, there's some little tiny owl charms. This is exciting. Now, because the baggie there is a little scratched up, I had to dig in bins to find my treasures. So those are little tiny sunflowers. And what is this? It's kind of hard for me to see because oh, there it is. Oh, that was a bag of just odds and ends. And to me, that's a little treasure, the little fish in that bright brassy color. And those are silver color spacers. I like that shape for earrings. And that is, oh, those are cute. Little tiny seahorses. I have a lot of ocean charms, so I thought that would be fun to use in it. This is kind of like Christmas. And those are chandelier findings for earrings. Kind of like that, so where you add your own charms and chains. And you just fill each of those holes. Now, I'm going to be using these in some of the bead kits. Oh, I think I'm showing you here that you could also use it to make like a 5-strand bracelet. And I didn't know I bought those. Those are skulls, so I will design something with Day of the Dead. And this overpacked bag is ear wires. Now I'm going to be putting together a bead kit for earrings. So I found some really cool pieces to add in, like these filigree bead caps. And I'll be showing you on another show how to make the fabulous earrings. You could either buy the earrings or buy the kit. And these are little ball head pins. I really like these kind because I think it gives it a cleaner look. And I don't know, I'm just hooked on those for a while. I think I bought a few bags of those. And those are more little fish. Those are fun to either put with my ocean charms, or I can put them with a little cat face and make it look like the cat ate some fish. And what is this little? Oh, those are little eye pins. And so those will be hanging on that little chandelier piece. And these, I thought these were pretty cool. I was happy to find those, and I only found one bag of them, or else I would have bought them in every color. It's a spacer bar, and it hangs long ways like that. And I thought that would be just really adorable on a pair of earrings. Now, of course, we will be using all different types of beads, and with those little miniature eye pins, it saves you time with the circle already prepared. And there's another bag of findings that I purchased. Let's see what's in there. More jump rings. Always make sure you have those in every color and size. That's 3 different sizes. More ear wires. More head pins. That was $4. This one is little pink rondelles for $2. I thought that was a great deal because at Michael's I think I pay like $8 unless I have a coupon. And there's some more eye pins, jump rings. Oh, smaller of the ball head pin. And these little pieces here. Oh, there's more rondelles. But these little pieces here, in a future class, I will be showing you how to use those. I took a ribbon, a Chanel ribbon from my perfume, and I put it in there and closed it, and now I'm selling those on Etsy. I've sold a couple of them already, but you can put leather if you like. This I bought for my daughter. It's a little chain with little tiny eyes on it. And then I found this little cubic zirconia rhodium plated charm. It's a hamsa, and I will be putting that. Ooh, look at it in rose gold, the little Jewish star on it, or Star of David. That I think is for me. And then I found these really cute little lotus, and I'll probably put that with tourmaline. Lotus means purity. And oh my gosh, aren't those cute? The little sterling silver sand dollars. Now on these beads here, oops. Okay, well there's more sterling silver findings. I really like those. That little lot was about $6, which I thought was a very good price. And then bought myself a little screw, and we've already made a lot of jokes over that, so I won't go into that. But anyway, back to the beads. So this strand had a variety of odd-shaped beads on there, and I thought, I love it. What I'm going to do with this is, ooh, clamshell. I'm going to make a wonderful necklace. Oh, there's a guru bead. I know this is going kind of fast, but I do have a lot to show you. So with this type of, oh, that will be for a bracelet closure. So these type of beads, when it's odd like this, sometimes I just have my own leftover, but I thought those would be a really nice accent for a necklace I'm going to show you. And it doesn't require a lot of beads. It just requires odds and ends. So I'll take like one glass bead there and complement it on each side with a rondelle, a couple of crystals. And this will also be in a future class. It is currently up for sale on Etsy. And I use 3 different types of seed beads on this. Each strand has a different color seed bead. I love putting together green, purple, and blue. Oh gosh, I love that. Those are really hot sellers. That's an antique bead. And then these are just the basic spacers. I know you can buy these anywhere, but I think I bought them for $1 a strand. And just as a little filler, you need a little sparkle. What's in this baggie? Oh, I don't really like to buy lucite, but I could not resist these little orange and purple Buddhas. So I will upgrade them by mixing them with Austrian crystal. And oh, I also found these little Indian deities carved out of rosewood. One for my big sister and one for my boyfriend. I just thought they were so pretty. And then I found these from the same vendor, 4 faces of Buddha. And I will be taking those bracelets apart. I don't know what I'm going to make out of those yet. I'm so excited. And these, I love the green man. And it is so hard to find really cute charms of him. So I was excited when I found these little green man charms. And then I also found that little Buddha. He's a happy Buddha. The hole there is at the side. Some of those I'll make into, there's a triquetra. I will make the green men into either a simple necklace for men and then with beads for a woman. And the little gold beckoning cat, one of my favorite little pieces. I have those in different varieties in my stash. Now my friend and I, we decided we both wanted pyrite beads and we split the strands. And this is jasper, and I thought that would be great for a man's bracelet. And that is lava, dyed lava. And then here's some turquoise chips. As you can see, I love turquoise. So I'm going to be making something Native American. And I thought those pieces would be beautiful incorporated into them, especially my beaded earrings that I make. Let's see what else is in that bag of goodies. Oh, look at that. Wow. Okay, so I bought probably about 6 strands of tourmaline. This is pink tourmaline with, well, you might want to call it watermelon tourmaline. Sometimes I separate those. I know I'm crazy like that. And I put them in the rainbow color of the watermelon tone. And then this is garnet. I plan to put those in beaded earrings and also beaded bracelets. And this is a black tourmaline. And it is so sparkly and gorge. Oh gosh. So you may think they look alike, but one is a faceted rondelle and one is a rounded chipper. And then this is apatite. I think that's only 2 millimeters. I didn't pay that, but if I went to a regular bead store, it would be about that much. And because I do buy wholesale, I ended up with some great deals. Look at that orange garnet. Scrumptious. I love it. And then that is a little mother pearl. And that was also very shiny. But my window is right in front of my filming here, so the light is very bright outside today. Now, this is natural Swarovski crystal, she told me. I just love it. Oh, that is like candy to me. Eye candy. Oh, I can't get enough of that. And then this is ruby and emerald together. I guess it grew that way. I don't know how they made it. I will have to do more research on that. This is more tourmaline, and it did have blue in it. And I just thought it was just so beautiful. So I think that is my 5th strand. As you can tell, the other one has more pink. So I will be mixing those. Oh, this one was a mixed strand. This had labradorite and citrine and amethyst and apatite and aquamarine. So this will be, I'll be using that with in a little beaded bracelet like this. This is also on my channel. I have this in several colors. You can learn how to make this beaded bracelet. And I like using little specialty semi-precious stones on this type. One of my favorite things to make. Oh, I just love it. I'm gonna pat myself on the back on that one. And, oh, isn't it kind of hard to find moons, you guys? It's hard for me to find moons. So this little moon is in a royal blue and a honey color. And actually, those would make great earrings. And those are the John James beading needles, but I realized I bought the wrong size, but that's okay. I go through these like crazy. And on that bracelet I just showed you, that's the type of needle that I do use. So you might want to write that down for future reference. And then I bought some beeswax there. And that's to coat the beading thread. Because sometimes, and you do it just like that, because it's so fine that it'll shred a little, and you don't want that to happen because that means it'll break. And with it being coated, it just makes it stronger. And I bought the thread in 3 colors because basically that's all you really need, because those spools last you such a long time. And I use the taupe color on my brighter beads. Now this is from East Africa. It's a 1964 coin, and I'll make my big sister something out of that because she's born in 1964. And oh, I thought these were fun. The lady only had 2 left. Sterling silver goddesses. Ooh, she would look great with the tourmaline. And a little crescent moon and a little star and a heart. Oh, and these are some of my seed beads. Now, of course, I have to have seed beads in every color. And in the future, I'll share with you all of the colors that I have. I have maybe 200 colors. or more. And you kind of have to when you're a crazy bead artist like me. And I think I spent like $125 on just seed beads alone, and the needles and the thread. Some I bought from one vendor, the other one I bought from the Garden of Beading, and Dee Dee was really nice to help me. Oh, those are so pretty. This came from a different vendor. I'll show you the ones that I bought from, the ones that Dee Dee helped me with. I went back to the booth like 2 days in a row. These are just my own personal beaded earrings. I wear those a lot, as you can tell. Those have turquoise and Peruvian beads at the top. These are my other favorites I wear a lot. And I like making the rainbow colors like this. These I made to sell, and I ended up keeping them myself. I just thought the colors were gorgeous. It's amethyst and smoky quartz and citrine and bugle beads. And I have a mega ton of bugle beads that are in different colors as well. See how you have to have every color, especially if you're doing the type of Indian beadwork that I do. You want it to blend gracefully. And oh, I love these. So these are white hearts. They're vintage. They're from Italy, she told me. And the reason they're called white hearts, it's red on the outside, white on the inside. And those are, oh, I just love those. And more bugle beads. I didn't have this color. I have something similar, but like I said, you have to have every color. Hence my name, Chasing Rainbows. That's my native name. Look at that. So that little handful was like 80 bucks. But they do range, as you can see, like that was $7 something. And some were $3 and $4. They have one of the largest variety of seed beads I've ever seen in my life. I just wanted to do the happy dance when I walked in there. Those bright pink ones are awesome. Look at those purple. Wow. And then those I'll probably use on myself. Those peachy colored. And that bright red. I also bought a bright orange. Where is it? It's somewhere in there. I know those two are similar, but not those two colors there. That mint green is fabulous. Look at that. I love it. Oh, there's the orange. So I like to do beading around crystals, and I just made up the design on my own. We'll do this on another lesson, but that's pretty fun to do. That's for advanced beading, but I'll be happy to share that design with you. And I just want to appreciate all of you right now for watching this video. I had such a fabulous time. So I will see you at the next bead show. And please check out my Etsy and my Instagram. And keep following me. Have a great one. Have a happy day. Bye.